Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra. I represent Conceptual Orthopedics team here. The number one thing, with open hands we welcome the new residents to the wonderful world of orthopedics. An orthopedic world is an ever-evolving branch which allows you to grow exponentially as a surgeon, as a human being, and more importantly, as a clinician forever. It also is a branch which is linked to the technology like hand in glove today and lets you evolve as the tech is going up in the world. What you need to understand is, whatever is the new dish in the town, salt is always required. That's the basis. And that is why you need to understand the salt of a surgical branch, the basic taste, the basic understanding, what was required by our teachers, what was required by their teachers, what they taught us, and what we have been practicing are the rules to be followed during the residency. If you want to finish the best, you need to start very well. Why not to inculcate the right kind of habits right at the beginning of residency? We will be having a pioneer to tell you what to do in orthopedics, what to learn during residency, the key points in building up a good orthopedic career, and also what you must never do. Learn the hows, the whats and the whys of orthopedics right at the line of start. Download Conceptual Orthopedics app. We are waiting for you. Welcome to this glorious branch, orthopedics. Thank you very much.